Welcome to 42 Prague, a coding institute established by Škoda Auto and other partners to teach students programming with or without any experience. It's all about hands-on learning with real projects.
We believe in peer-to-peer learning with no teachers or classes. Every day here is about collaboration and problem solving. Our campus is open 24/7, our studies are completely free, and we're open to everyone.
Our students gain real job-ready skills that the companies actually need, and they also join hackathons or other challenges that pushes their abilities to the maximum.
Thanks to an international community, group projects and events, students have needed soft skills to become valuable team members.
42 Prague is part of the global 42 network, present in more than 30 countries worldwide. Partnering with 42 Prague means direct access to the motivated, job-ready tech talent. Discover more at 42prague.com and go together at 42 Prague.